Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to Elijah's channel. Today we're going to be checking out my friend Ashton.
Yeah,
he's going to be driving his brand new car over in the snow right now. As you can see right there.
As you can see, I don't really drive it out that much. Just got it yesterday.
Yep.
And it likes to do a lot of burnouts, so.
And if you see my episode with the Family Guy thing, let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my videos and leave down in the comments if you want me to videotape more Call of Duty or Family Guy videos and stuff. And I hope you like this video. So let's hop to it. Oh, Ashton. 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 Ashton.
What? I bought a gold drone yesterday.
I got a drone too.
You did?
Yep.
Let's go drive it down here. It's a little bit better when you drive it down here.
Oh crap. So guys, snowing and stuff like that. I'm gonna be switching the thing around so it can see me and stuff. Okay.
Hey Elijah, can you go down there and get that for me, bud?
Get what?
That thing.
Yeah.
I'll record you.
Hold on, I got it.
Yeah, what is this video going to be called?
I don't know yet. Hey, what the heck happening? Why did my screen go freaking black? Ah, what the heck? My screen went black! I said, my screen went black! What do I do? Oh, no! Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it needs to be in the shade. What the heck? Hold on, wait. Why is the thing pitch black? Ashton, my thing's pitch black. See, look.
Look at it. Let's go, Elijah.
Photo.